Hello. We should solve the SAT 2024 force main question, hardest question about factorizing. And given this expression and b is positive integer, also given the qz power 7 plus r is a factor of this expression, so we should find the greatest possible value of b. Here also given q and r should be integers. Okay. For solving these kind of questions, we should know one thing. For example, if we mark the z power 7x, so we took quadratics. We begin to solve the factorizing of the quadratics. Given that in any quadratics, there is a connection. For example, the a multiplied by c and a plus c are connected in our case. I will show this in example. 9x squared minus 12x minus 5 is given. In our case, how to factorize it? I will show how they are connected. Here a 9, b minus 12, c equals minus 5. We wrote like this. 9 multiplied by minus 5 minus 45 will be, and also here I wrote a multiplied by c, here I wrote b, so minus 12. Okay, the next thing is the factors of 45 should be, the when sum should be equal to this one. If in this case I will divide this minus 12 in this form, I took the factorized form. How? First of all, we should write the factors of 45. It may be 1 and 45. 2 cannot be. 3 and 15. Next one, 5 and 9. Next one also 9 and 5. It's repeated. So then these factors of 45 should give us in sum minus 12. So also we have here minus, for example this also minus. So the sum for the adding, when we add the two factors of 45, when they give then one of them should be negative. It's greater one, because minus 12 in the sum of them should be minus 12. Okay, I wrote these minuses. So sum gives us minus 44. It is not minus b, minus 12, minus 4. Okay, so the answer is minus 12. So I should this minus 12x wrote in this form. How? 9x squared plus 3x minus 15x minus 5 should be 0. 3x plus 1 minus 5, 3x plus 1 is equal 0. 3x plus 1, 3x minus 5 is 0. So this method is called AC method or ACE method. For factorizing quadratics. Okay, I applied this for our problem. Our problem is about 34z 14 bz 7 plus 70 is expression, so I should factorize it. How? First of all, I wrote this expression here. I wrote, and Here I wrote b, and this I can write like this, 1 and this first of all, and then second and 2 and 70, 1770, and etc, etc, etc. The all combinations of b. You know, by adding them, first of all gives us b. All of the combinations gives us factorizing forms of b. If I wrote in this form, they are all factorizes. So let's calculate which one is greatest. First one, 1 multiplied then sum. We should sum it to do. So I took result plus 1. This is equal to this one. 1 is here. And what about this? 70 plus 2. It's equal to this one. So we solved it. The greatest possible value of b should be this one. In this case, it's factorized. Let's try. This plus 7 plus this plus this. In our case also 7 here goes, and 1 plus 70. So it factorized in this form. So only in this case the b will be maximum. Also we have other options. For example, in this form also I can write, but it gives us, yes, it will be factorized, but the b will be smaller. So we solved this problem. By this way you can find also the solution, and the variable b will be minimum, smallest possible value. It's also by this logic you can continue. We should choose them the near to this one. For example, this and this also true, and next one is, I wrote like this. Let's do it. 17 5 7. So I think minimum case will be the first one. This one equals, second one will be this one. We should check, I think. In this form also it factorizes well. So b will be, the minimum value of b will be 104. Its answer. So that's all.